Victory Gardens San Diego is a collaboration of 17 organizations and over 500 members working to create food security in San Diego. One Victory Gardens San Diego project is U Garden, a series of classes covering the basics of an organic gardening life cycle. The orientation class covers natural ways to eliminate an existing lawn, where to plant, garden design, and garden tools. The introductory session creates a common framework for students to build upon throughout the series, covering garden space mapping, light factors, water needs, and when to plant. Students of the first class put into action a 5-step process for lawn removal, including scalping, spraying, and smothering the lawn, and covering it with 6 inches of compost. Healthy soil is the cornerstone of a healthy garden, and the second class focuses on soil composition. Dubbed Earth First, the second class covers the basics of soil awareness, bed preparation, and composting techniques. Participants share samples from their home garden plots, which are analyzed to determine ratios of minerals, organic matter, water, air, and microorganisms using a series of tests. The second half of the class begins the process of building vegetable beds using a technique called double digging. At the end of the class, the finished beds are ready for irrigation. The theme of the irrigation class covers the Goldilocks principle of how much is enough. Interactive conversations cover where and how to get water, and students crunch numbers to determine realistic water harvesting goals in San Diego. Water conservation topics and various irrigation systems are explored before students begin installing an irrigation system optimized for water conservation and plant diversity. But which plants make good partners? The Plants and Planting class of the U Garden series explores plant selection, seeds versus starts, companion planting, planting sequence, and fruit trees with a heavy emphasis on permaculture best practices. In the Plant and Garden Maintenance class, U Gardeners learn about helpful insects like pollinators and bug eaters, as well as telltale signs of harmful pests. There are flowers and vegetables that encourage these helpful insects to move in and keep harmful critters at bay. Students are encouraged to keep a keen eye out for aphids and other hungry pests and learn organic techniques for insect removal. Harvesting techniques for greens and other veggies are presented in the final class, exploring how to prepare and eat your harvest. Morning is the best harvest time, and U Garden students spent the first part of class learning tips and tricks on preserving vegetables. The class always ends with a delicious potluck feast to celebrate the fruits and veggies of our labor. For more information on the U Garden class series or other Victory Gardens San Diego projects, visit victorygardenssandiego.com.